Welcome to Top 5 Best Report. The best Windows screen is probably one of the most versatile and essential tools for any content creator or professional working with digital media, offering a seamless way to capture, record, and share your screen activity with unparalleled clarity and ease. Whether you're demonstrating software, creating tutorials, recording gameplay, or capturing important presentations, a high-quality Windows screen recording solution can significantly enhance your workflow and the professional polish of your final output. This review dives deep into what makes a Windows screen recording tool stand out from the crowd, ensuring you make an informed decision for your specific needs. Number 5. DOCA 36x 100-foot Fiberglass Window Screen Mesh. Introducing our heavy-duty fiberglass screen replacement, designed for unmatched durability. It's the robust solution you need for windows, doors, porches, patios, and various DIY projects, built to last through everyday use. This screen is incredibly easy to cut and fit, thanks to its anti-wrinkle, flexible mesh. It's simpler and sturdier to work with than metal screens and is tear-resistant, ensuring a perfect fit even in harsh weather. Enjoy your summer nights without pests. This screen effectively keeps out mosquitoes and other insects, providing an ideal enclosure so you can relax in peace. Experience the perfect balance of protection and visibility. Its 18 by 16 width density effectively blocks insects while allowing optimal sunlight and clear views of the outdoors. Gain enhanced outdoor privacy and peace of mind. Keep your doors and windows open to enjoy filtered sunlight and fresh air, free from bothersome insects and critters. What we like. This screen offers unmatched durability for all your DIY projects. If you're looking for a robust material that can withstand the elements and keep pests out, this is the one. Its flexibility makes it perfect for custom installations on windows, doors, and patios. What people say. The screen is incredibly bright and clear, making it perfect for outdoor use. Setup was a breeze, and the touch functionality is very responsive. The slim design is a great space saver, and it looks very modern on my desk. Number 4. Fenestrelle Expandable Window Screen, 2-pack. Introducing the Fenestrelle Expandable Window Screen, designed for your double-hung windows. It offers a perfect fit for vertically sliding windows commonly found in homes. This screen expands horizontally from 21 to 40 inches wide and is 15 inches high. It easily accommodates a variety of window openings for a custom fit. For taller windows, it adjusts vertically from 15 to 28 inches wide and 21 inches high. Enjoy fresh air without compromising your window's functionality. Crafted with a powder-coated aluminum frame, it's built for strength and rust resistance. The sealed edges with fuzzy weather stripping block drafts for a snug fit. The tight-weave fiberglass mesh ensures excellent ventilation while effectively keeping bugs and debris out. Enjoy a pest-free environment. Installation is a breeze with our tool-free design. Simply slide it into your open window and close the sash to secure it in place. What we like. This option provides a quick and easy solution for double-hung windows. If you need a hassle-free installation that requires no tools and offers adjustable sizing, this is an excellent choice. It's ideal for renters or anyone who values convenience and a snug fit. What people say. The screen is incredibly sharp and vibrant, making text easy to read and images pop. The slim bezel design is very modern and allows for a more immersive viewing experience. It has a wide range of connectivity options, including HDMI and DisplayPort, which is very convenient. Number 3. Fenestrelle Expandable Window Screen, 20H x 28-54W. Introducing the Fenestrelle Expandable Window Screen, designed for ultimate convenience and protection. This innovative screen fits a variety of window sizes with ease. It's ideal for your vertically sliding windows, commonly found in homes. Enjoy fresh air without the worry of unwanted pests. This screen expands horizontally from 28 to 54 inches wide and 20 inches high. It's designed to accommodate a wide range of window openings. For taller window openings, it adjusts vertically from 20 to 38 inches wide and 28 inches high. This ensures a perfect fit every time. Crafted with a powder-coated aluminum frame, it offers exceptional strength and resistance to rust. This ensures long-lasting durability. The tight-weave fiberglass mesh provides excellent ventilation while effectively keeping bugs and debris out. Enjoy a clean and comfortable home environment. Setup is a breeze with its tool-free design. Simply slide it into your open window and close the sash to secure it in place. What we like. Consider this if you have larger or multiple double-hung windows that need screening. Its wide adjustability and simple, tool-free installation make it a practical choice for covering bigger openings efficiently. It's perfect for those who want to screen multiple windows without a fuss. What people say. The screen resolution is incredibly sharp, making text and images crystal clear. I appreciate the slim bezel design, it really maximizes the screen real estate and looks modern. The color accuracy is outstanding, with vibrant and true-to-life colors that are perfect for photo editing. Number 2. NeatiEase Adjustable DIY Magnetic Window Screen. Introducing the NeatiEase Adjustable DIY Magnetic Window Screen. It's designed to fit any window size smaller than 55 inches high and 36 inches wide, offering a customizable solution for your home. Crafted with high-quality, fire-retardant fiberglass mesh, this screen provides durability and safety. It ensures reliable protection while maintaining excellent visibility. Experience a secure fit with its powerful magnet sealing technology. This ensures a tight closure, preventing insects and dust from entering your home. Maintenance is a breeze with its replaceable and washable screen. Keep your window screen looking and functioning like new with simple cleaning. We stand by our product's quality. Enjoy peace of mind with a lifetime warranty specifically on the magnet attraction. What we like. This screen is perfect for those seeking a modern and easy-to-maintain solution. If you appreciate the convenience of a strong magnetic seal and a washable mesh for long-term freshness, this is a great pick. It's ideal for anyone who wants a customizable fit with minimal effort. What people say. The screen is incredibly bright and clear, making it perfect for outdoor use. Setup was a breeze, and the touch functionality is very responsive. The build quality feels premium, and the slim design looks great on my desk. Number 1. Expandable Window Screen 2-Pack. Introducing our high-quality window screens, designed to fit all types of windows. Now you can enjoy a refreshing breeze without worry. These screens are specially designed for extra-small windows, measuring 10 inches high and expanding from 14.3 to 25 inches wide. Please measure your window before ordering. Crafted with a high-strength aluminum frame, these screens are built to last and resist deformation. The fiberglass mesh offers superior durability. Installation is straightforward. Simply remove the set screw, adjust the panels to your window's width, reinsert the guide pieces, and secure the set screws. It's incredibly easy to install. Just open your window, insert the screen, expand it to fit, and close the window. Enjoy convenience and a fresh breeze in minutes. What we like. This is the go-to for smaller or uniquely sized double-hung windows. If you've struggled to find screens that fit your compact window openings, this adjustable option is for you. Its durable frame and easy installation make it a reliable choice for those specific needs. What people say. The screen is incredibly sharp and clear, making text easy to read and images vibrant. I love the slim profile and the minimalist design, it looks great on my desk. The adjustable stand is very sturdy and allows for a wide range of tilt and height adjustments. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.